Oh my gosh, I gotta show you guys this. This is really cool. Tell me that's not sweet. So the F, it's got the Franklin Farmers Market. Here it's got the Civil War cannon and like an old colonial house, I guess you'd call it. Another old house right here, kind of building, Franklin Theater. That looks like Harlansdale Farm. That's the water tower at the factory. Hot air balloons. So that's something you'll see in Williamson County a lot. You'll see people flying around with hot air balloons. That's the Natchez Trace Parkway, the bridge, which is super cool. Tennessee, the 3 stars is for the 3 different sections of the state, east, middle, and west. All right, enough dilly-dallying around. Let's get back on the bike. We are about to get to Main Street in downtown Franklin, and this little spot right here is called 5 Points. Look at how quiet it is this morning. This is great. Oh, I knew it. I knew this would be perfect. So this is it, guys. This is downtown Franklin, and what a place. Such a beautiful place. 𝐾𝐨 has some great fudge. Isn't it beautiful, though? I just love what they've done. I think... Oh, 𝐵 Joyful's going right there. Wow. Mellow Mushroom. And there's a little more down here. If you like wine, JJ's Wine Bar is so cool. First of all, it's a really cool setting. But second of all, they've got these little machines. You basically just pay, give your credit card, and then you can choose wine and just pick what you want, and there's different sizes. It is so cool. Colosino's Italian restaurant. I actually want to go left here. This is First Ave, Franklin Bakehouse. So see, they've expanded down here and put shops on First Ave. And then as you come around here, this is 2nd Avenue. And right here on the left is the coffee house, which is a cool little spot to grab a coffee. And then there's some antique shops. There's one behind me. You guys probably can't see. Little liquor store. $17.99 restaurant, which is attached to the hotel. I know the name of this hotel, but I'm just drawing a blank. It happens to me every time I see it. Beautiful hotel, though. Yeah, there's already people out walking. I'm going to go this way since we've already gone down Main Street. Let me take you down here. This is great. I'm actually able to give you a real tour of downtown Franklin so you can see what it's like because there's not any cars. That is awesome. All right, so now we're on 5th Avenue North. French's Shoes and Boots. Really cool, like boots if that's your thing. Rivian. We've got a Rivian dealership here. How cool is that? So let me do this. This is going to be a good way to take you guys back here. Zolo's. Iron Tribe Fitness. I'm always seeing people, yeah, look, everyone's in there working out. They're like, all right, if we get muscular, we can, like, take over the world. Wow, look at this project. See, they're doing so much here. I don't know if they're going to build that up into shops or something, or if it's just part of the church and a renovation. Oh, I've really put myself into a little pickle here. This is one way. That's all right. I got this. I wanted to show you guys these churches anyways, right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hook a left on 7th Avenue. I don't know why I don't come down here more often to just, like, go for a walk or something. Like, it would be really nice this morning to bring the bike and park it somewhere and maybe walk a mile loop and then grab a coffee and then hit the road. I think that would be a nice plan. Okay. Look at this church. Look at the doors. Oh my goodness. Okay, so on the right, we've got the Frothy Monkey, which is really a cool place to stop. Check things out. McCreary's Irish Pub. Red Pony. I did a video at one point, like, walking down Main Street, but it was tough. I think there was a lot of people, and... Leaper's Fork, House of Spirits coming soon. It really does just keep getting better down here. I feel like I keep seeing better businesses opening, and that takes you to the courthouse over there. So let's go see if there's a Cars and Coffee going on this morning up here on Franklin Road. There's like a church, and everybody shows up and hangs out for a little bit. Yeah, okay, there are people here. That's cool. Let's do this. Let's see if I can't just cruise through. Yeah, so people bring their older cars here. It's mostly older cars and, like, guys' Corvettes, right? But that's cool. Ford Bronco. Yeah, pretty cool. Wonder if I can just go right down the middle. I'm gonna try to. Hopefully they don't mind. Yeah, check out these cars. Really neat. So there you have it. Cars and Coffee. So yeah, that starts typically, I believe, I was going to say 8 o'clock, but they're already out there. That's the thing about the old timers. They start early. It's neat. So once you cross Machatcher on Hillsborough Road, they've got these really beautiful stone walls that say Historic Franklin on each side. But see these signs right here? I'll just look at one on the right. See that? With the stonework like that? Historic Franklin. I just thought that was, I think it's really beautiful. They just do such a nice job all around Franklin, but especially around this downtown area. It's just so nice. I love seeing, we've seen so many people out running, just working on their health, walking their dogs, just like positive things. That house is great. I always love that house. I just think it looks so nice. And that one. Really cool. All right, I'm going to pull into the Fainting Goat right here. This is actually fairly new. They've got a Fainting Goat in Spring Hill, and then they opened this one here recently, which is pretty cool. Let's see if I can't come around. Put the bike right here. All right, y'all, I really appreciate you joining me on today's ride. Once again, my name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent here in the Franklin, Tennessee area. If you're thinking about making the move here to Franklin and you want to jump on a call, I do have a link down in the description to my calendar. From there, you can pick a time that works for you and book a time to jump on a call with me. I appreciate it very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, comment. That would be great. It helps the video. Besides that, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye.